Today is the birthday of Simon van der Meer, the engineer whose idea is being used by CERN even after 50 years of its invention. In the late 1970s, CERN was facing a serious problem, keeping proton and antiproton beams focused and stable. The beams were spreading out randomly, becoming chaotic. And because of this spreading, precise collisions became almost impossible. This is where Simon van der Meer changed everything. He invented a technique called stochastic cooling. Sensors measure tiny deviations in the particle beam, and electronic systems send correction signals that gently push the particles back toward the ideal path. It's like constantly steering billions of particles at the same time. This breakthrough allowed scientists to control intense antiproton beams and enabled the discovery of the W-boson and Z-boson. For this achievement, Simon van der Meer shared the 1984 Nobel Prize in Physics. Subscribe for more such stories.